Now let me tell you, last time when I had come, I had stayed in Sohra, that is Chirapunji, and Shillong. We had stayed at the homestays. And I prefer homestay always over hotels because it is calm, quiet, nice. That is why I prefer homestay than the hotel. Now I request you, where should I stay this time? Which places I should visit? If I come in a month of October, November, will it be very cold? That is during Diwali vacation and all. If I come, whether it is okay, because my granddaughter will also have holidays at that time. Means many days we may not miss her school. And moreover, this time I want to make videos with all of you. You are all so beautiful people. So I want to make videos with you. I want to learn more about you. And many times you have invited me. So please, at least contact me on my email ID or give your email IDs or contact numbers so that I can contact you. So this time I am more happy because I am going to meet my family members. You are knowing, family is always near and dear to us. At least, isn't it? More than anyone, we love our family members. That is why I will be very happy to spend time with you, to have a look at your lifestyle. How you live, your day to day, whatever. It can be problems, it can be plus points. All of us are having. Who doesn't have challenges in life? Even we too have. So, let me know about your lifestyle or your customs. Whatever, for the functions or marriages, whatever your functions, everything I will be happy to know about it. So, again and again, let me thank you. Don't say we are the family members. Why are you thanking, madam? Though we are the family members, I felt so happy. No doubt, you are knowing, from my childhood, I came from a large joint family. So we like people, we love people, and when I met people like you, because your comments itself make me so grateful, so happy. I don't know how I can pay back your love and affection. Words are not at all enough. How I can pay back, I don't know, because I'm very lucky enough to meet you people. And it was my childhood dream. From my childhood, I was very curious about Northeast people, because you are knowing, even the way how they look, how they live, the mountains there, everything. I was very, very curious. But as a child, or earlier, it was not so possible to go. But nowadays, you are knowing, it has become easy. Traveling has become easy. and God has blessed us with all the things. That is why I was able to visit your place. Even Assam also I liked. I had been to Kamakhya temple. I will make a separate video on Assam as well. Even that one in Brahmaputra river we are having a big island. I think it is the biggest river island in Asia. Even that we had visited. So I liked it very much. I like Northeast more because all other states we are same. We don't have much in the thing. No doubt beautiful. All the states are beautiful. I have visited many of the places. So it is beautiful only. But such a good family I got now. I am very happy about it. And you all love, nowhere, no words to express it. So mostly in the month of October, November, I will be visiting you. So if possible, how I can contact you? I have given my email ID even in the earlier videos. So you can contact me or you can share me your email or any contact things. I will contact you and let us enjoy well. And if you want one more thing I wanted to tell you, if you want any more information either on motivational lectures about our places, our day-to-day living, I will make videos and I will share it to you. Because how we live, how our functions, whatever it is. And in the same way, I will like to know your functions, your way of life and everything. Hence, let us meet. I am very curious enough to meet you all because I got so many members in my family and it is a very nice moment for you. So let me thank you all once again for showering upon me love, affection, everything, even during my visit and even through your likes and comments. You are really my sons, daughters, grandsons, granddaughters. I am really very, very happy and eager to meet you all. If you want anything from this side, just inform me while coming how much possible I will bring for you, along with my love and affection. So, let us meet again shortly. Again I repeat, I have given my email. You can contact me on my email or you can give me your emails or tell me how to contact you. Have a nice day.